It's day 4 of the Guy Tang World Tour here in Vietnam, and we're here at the Sofitel Hotel with my team, and we're doing a look and learn class. Come on in.
You are now tuned into the sound of Guy Tang.
Wait for it. You ain't never seen nothing like this. Wait for it. Doing me, and you'll fucking like it. Doing me, and you'll fucking like it. You ain't never seen something wicked like this.
Yeah, this is fancy. Look at this. Kim, come here. Did you have fun last night?
Oh my God, it was so much fun.
See, everything went fine.
Everything was fine.
See, if they would just trust the process. You know what's funny? Liz, she came up to me and she goes, so how do you feel about it? I was like, I felt great. Do you like it? And she goes, I love it. It's so good. I'm so happy. And she said, oh, I'm so relieved. I was like,
I
see?
know, she told me that she was having a heart attack.
Because she was panicking because I said, you have to trust me.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for almost 20 years.
Yeah.
I understand the process. Because she was more concerned with wowing the audience. Like,
Yes.
will there be enough dancing and entertainment? I was like, listen, let me do me and connect with the hair besties and everything will be okay. Now she trusts us, so when we do our trip to Hanoi, everything will be fine.
Much better.
Yeah.
Trust the process.
Always
right?
trust. You always gotta trust the process.
Yes.
You have to trust us. We know what we're doing. Oh, and there's Liz. Oh, look, it's Liz. You're here.
How are you?
Did you enjoy last night?
Yeah.
It turned out good, right?
Yeah, it's
I
good.
told you everything is fine. You're happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm so happy.
Because you were concerned at first.
Yeah,
A
at
little
first.
bit. A little bit.
Yeah, now I'm nervous for this.
Now you're nervous again? Oh, for this
For this
workshop?
look and learn.
You don't need to be worried.
Okay,
Everything's
so
gonna be okay.
Yeah.
I know your intentions. You want everything to turn out great.
Yes.
It's like, Liz! Ah, we love Liz. See? Nothing to worry
you.
about. Okay, yes. How many people are gonna be here?
We have like 170.
170 people?
Yes.
This is the look and learn?
Yes, look and learn.
Okay, that's a lot of people. That's like a whole nother show. I didn't expect it to be this many people. I was told like it's a little workshop. Oh, they're playing my music video too. Look, oh my God, come in. So this kind of intimate, but still this is a lot bigger than what I'm used to. Normally a workshop is intimate or a look and learn is intimate, but this is like a whole nother show. This is whole stage, and they're playing Power and Pain. Yes! This is my favorite music video, Power and Pain. I'm really proud of it. One of my favorite songs. Look at that, you have like 170 seats for a class? We'll see what happens. It's supposed to be 6 hours long. Let's see how long I can entertain everyone. Kim, they're playing my song Ready to Love. Wow. This is with Cher K. I love this music video, it's all 80s.
Yeah, look at your hair. It was crimped and everything else too.
Right? Guy Tang World Tour, non-stop, it's no joke.
ends.
But luckily, we love what we do. We love what we do, so we can keep going. Where do we prep our models? Over here, back behind the screen. Okay, that's really wet. Okay, lift the cords up. Jesus, we're all gonna get electrocuted and die. That's not safe. Who put this here? We're all gonna die back here. Right, come on, you guys, let's go back here so we can talk a little bit. I wanna prepare to know what we're gonna go through, you know? All right, so Ariana, how are we gonna start this class? It's a little bit different, so I
Yeah.
want to make sure everyone's getting what they want.
So we have a PowerPoint for all of like the product knowledge, but because we're gonna have segments where you're actually doing demos for some of it, I think just like grazing over certain slides. So Wicked Shadow and Shadow Ash, you'll be doing a demo on that on yourself, or we'll be doing that on you later after lunch. So if you could just kind of like breeze through that and be like, we're gonna dive deeper into this after lunch and then move forward, and then Midnights we're gonna be covering tomorrow. So it's just kind of like a reference point so they know the whole catalog if they're not familiar.
Yeah, I think that'd be great. So what I'll do is I'll open up and make sure that they understand the story and concept of Mydentity again, just in case they forget, because everyone was excited last night.
Yeah.
I feel that it's important
It's
that
a
they,
calmer
yeah, it's a calmer,
environment,
more intimate than yesterday. Oh, Alma, you're so sweet. There's food out there. Dim sum, thank you. You guys can stay here. I'm so glad you came in. So I'm gonna open up and go deeper into the culture of the brand and go deeper into like developing the product in the lab so they know it's special. That's the most important thing, that it's just not another color line.
Your name
It's-
wasn't just slapped on.
No, because a lot of people can think that. They think, oh, he just slapped his name on the box.
Yeah.
So that's why it's important that they know, like, this was developed by me as a hair colorist for the hair colorist. That's what makes this so unique. So I want to go into that more.
Yeah,
Well,
totally
the
agree.
brand has a pulse and a heartbeat to it, which what makes Mydentity so unique, right?
Yeah.
So we have to celebrate that by sharing that information
Yeah,
with them and
100%.
really
that's why
appreciating
they're
them
all
for being
here.
here. Yes,
For
absolutely.
sure. Like if you think of last night as being the concert, this is the backstage pass. This is getting to come backstage and see all the
Good. We should call it that instead of looking
I
like
love that.
backstage pass.
Backstage pass.
Well, we're kind of backstage right now. Well, I'm gonna eat this dim sum.
Eat and tell us
Is
what's
this
in it.
shrimp?
Try it so that I can.
Well, I don't eat seafood. You know me. I
We
did
haven't
it yesterday,
eaten for,
the
like,
other
a
day,
while.
but at this point, I'm so hungry I don't eat anything. It's shrimp. Well, I don't eat seafood, but I just put it in my mouth. There's no rules. Whatever. You guys ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
Hello, how are you? Quoc Hong? I can't hear you, Quoc Hong. Yeah! Was everyone here at the show last night? Raise your hand. So today I want to go more in depth with the color line I created for you, Mydentity, because it's about knowing who we are, right? I want to share with you the journey and the process of developing this amazing color line for all of us to use in the salon. So after creating a beautiful color line with my chemist in the lab, I have to come up with a name for the brand. And that's how the name Mydentity was born, because it's identity and my identity combined together to create Mydentity, which is your identity, which is what makes this brand so unique. So Mydentity is 7 years old. Developing the color in the lab in the process took over a year and a half, almost 2 years. I had to keep this a secret from everyone. I didn't even let my mom know I was creating a color line. No one in my family know, none of my friends know. There's a lot of color lines out there, but there's so many things that were absent. They were missing silvers, rose golds, lavenders in a demi-permanent color form and a permanent color form. Mydentity, the brand I created, was the first to create rose gold color in a tube that you could do it all with one box of color. And a lot of the situation is, although there's many color lines out there, I noticed that they didn't cater globally to dark hair with the situations that we have where we have to fight through warmth. And that's why when I created Guy Tang Mydentity, I want the pigments to be so powerful, because being Asian myself, having dark hair, I know the struggles of always pulling too red or too warm when I'm trying to lift my hair up light. And that's why I created Big 9, our cream lightener. It has the ability to lift the hair so high while keeping the hair in soft condition, and you get the most powerful lift compared to any lightener that's out there. This is our shade assortments here, so you get to see the whole entire family to the Guy Tang Mydentity color line. We have permanent, demi-permanents, our unique signature shades. We have the clear, dark shadows, our direct dye and superpower series. And this is all the most current shade chart that you will have, so you get to see what we have in our portfolio. Right, so this is the color wheel. You can take a picture of it if you want.
Excuse me, guy.
What? What's going on? Okay, I'll just keep talking. Oh, Kim wants to talk. Okay. Hi, Kim.
I think that we should go into the slide of the technique.
I should go into the technique?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna do Almar right now.
Oh, Almar. Okay, bring a chair up for Almar. Yeah, this is the husband, Almar. Yay. All right, so we wet his hair, and he has silver moon on his hair. And it's been over a month and a half old, so about 6 weeks in. All right, so this is my Refresh color conditioner. This is silver pearl that we use on his hair to keep his hair fresh. So if you have silver hair, always know that you can use this in the shower to refresh your color. These are the shades that we have in my Refresh. It comes in 7 flavors. So a fun way that I like to use silver pearl is I like to put Olaplex on the hair first because he doesn't want the silver to be too dark. He wants the silver to be light. But what happens is Olaplex number 3 or number 2 can dilute the color and repair his hair. Look at that. This is a silver pearl. Then I just massage it all over. So anytime we're working on dark hair like ours, while lifting, we always expose warmth. We want the most cool tone pigment so you get to see brown. It lifts the base enough, but it doesn't expose that warmth. You see that?
ของหันแสงอ่ะมันจะเป็นสีแบบว่า
You can see the brown.
โมนสวยมาก
That's the shadow ash. You can see it. Take it.
Yeah, no lah.
It's pretty, right? Đẹp, huh?
Đẹp.
Yeah. I know that sometimes we look at brown hair, it might not look exciting because it's brown, but brown hair is the color we do every day in the salon. One for great coverage and one for our everyday client. So I'm gonna step down here so you get to see my hair color. Touch it. Look at the color. It's beautiful, right? It's the shadow ash. So shadow ash is the color I use the most on my clients. And we know how hard it is to get this color on dark Asian hair, right? So today we're gonna refresh my hair to make it even more ashier. We'll show you how to formulate. Oh, you wanna touch me too? Go ahead.
Love it.
It's pretty, right?
Yes.
Always trust to process for 25 minutes because a lot of times we always rush everything and we shouldn't. So while we're doing this, we can have a conversation about life. It takes a lot of confidence and courage when everyone rejects you so you can show the world what you truly believe in your heart. Even to this day, you might not see it, but I get comments all the time in my DMs. And even though a lot of it is sweet, there's also sometimes comments that really hurt and they dismiss me. And I have to rise above it. And that's why I named the collection after these emotional heartbeat pulses of a collection like Naked and Shadows. It's to remind us of our identity. So I want to thank all of you for coming because it means so much to me. It helps me become even more proud of who I am, more than ever. Isn't this exciting? Look, I'm crying and smiling at the same time because this is called Tears of Joy. Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah. Have you ever seen this before? Like happy tears? This is a type of education that when you come here, you get to see how I formulate. And when you look at my Instagram, you see the formulas, and I always put the recipes on my Instagram. I'm showing you how I'm getting the look. The tip to making the color last longer on Asian hair is to apply the toner on dry hair. And you have to let it process 25 minutes because a lot of times we're always rushing and trying to apply the color on wet hair. But when you apply the color on wet hair, it will not last because it's diluted with water. Yes. Okay, you guys are really throwing me off. Okay. Okay, give me 1 second. Is it lunchtime? Let's close that. Okay. Okay, great, wonderful. So my hair will process for 25 minutes, and when we come back from lunch, you'll see my hair dry. When I'm being interrupted the whole time, it throws me off, and I need to feel confident on stage.
Excuse me, guy.
What? Hi, Kim.
I think we should go into the slide of the technique.
I should go into the technique?
Yeah.
Okay. But when you apply the color on wet hair, it will not last because it's diluted with water. Yes. Okay, you guys are really throwing me off. Okay. Okay, great, wonderful. All right, so Elmer's gonna come on up, because if I don't show them what Mydentity is about, how are they gonna know how to form it and what's the purpose of the brand? What makes our brand different?
Yeah. Nobody gets this. This is like the training that we get as like
this is
the
very
top
exclusive.
tier educators.
Yeah, because if you do the technique without knowing, they're not gonna understand.
That's right. Like this didn't need to be rushed because Guy was still gonna get there.
Yeah.
We still have the doll heads. Everything's gonna work
It would have
out. They
been
just
fine,
need to be patient.
but if you're rushing me, you throw me off. You have to trust me. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. There's not enough water pressure in this.
I know,
thing.
but if we don't wash it at all, then we're
Okay. Where? Here?
yeah.
Just
We
pour
have to
water?
make it work. It's cold water.
Okay, so this sink is not working? Are you sure?
It's
just squirting?
drizzling.
Okay, get the water bottles. Okay, we'll just use this
All right,
with the
lay
water
back.
bottles. Because I'm I'm not gonna
We
wash
have a
my
little-
hair
We
in
don't
the
have very
toilet.
much time either.
Okay, get that water bottle.
Yeah, wait, Elmer's pouring.
Okay. I can't believe this. Do you think we're gonna get this done in time?
Yeah, we have to.
We don't have a choice. Okay.
They don't trust us.
Yeah, if you don't trust me, how am I gonna perform? Nothing works without trust. God knows I'm not perfect, but still, you know. Most of our shows goes very smooth. I was literally on stage doing my presentation. It's like, oh, change it, do something else. I was like, then all of a sudden I lose my train of thought and I couldn't perform right. We're back! Here we are. So I do want to show you the results of my hair. I normally don't wear my hair straight, but I didn't have my curling iron with me. But you get to see the result of my hair look very, very natural. I'm going to come down so you guys can touch and feel me. Here we go. If you want to stand up, you see the ash brown? It's cold, and cold colors always look dark. We're going to do a giveaway. How about that? I want you to make the most noise, and where I hear the noise is where I'm going to throw the box. Okay. Oh. There you go. Where? Over here? Over here? Oh, there we go. Here? All right, thanks. I'll see you tomorrow. I want to thank our whole entire team here. Liz, come up. We need to celebrate you. Liz, come on, chant her name. We love Liz. She helps put this together and she worked really hard. And I will see you tomorrow. That was so much fun. I think Liz enjoyed that too. Liz, did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Aw.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
I'm happy now. So
I
happy
know. I always know you mean well. Sometimes when you're passionate, you know you get stressed and you just want everyone to be happy. Okay? I understand you.
Thank you.